Hello friends, there is a new glitch come in Monopoly Go. So let's start the video to see the glitch. First open the Play Store in your mobile and search VPN like the Proton VPN. Install the VPN in your mobile. Once the VPN is installed, connect the VPN to your mobile and launch the Monopoly Go in your mobile. When you launch the Monopoly Go, simply swipe down the Monopoly Go and go to your airplane mode settings. Click on airplane mode. In this glitch, no internet connection message will not appear in Monopoly Go when your device is connected to the VPN, and you will get the roles. If you want to use this method again, then clear cache your Monopoly Go. For this, hold the Monopoly Go icon and go to settings. In that settings, go to storage and click on clear cache and relaunch the Monopoly Go and re-follow this method again. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content.